I can video you while doing that.
Did you video na?
Yes.
Okay.
You choose your flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Baliktad. Yun lang ano mo, i-dip mo. Ito. This face. Hayaan mo na yan.
Where's the...
You're gonna dip it here. Here, oh.
Huh?
Yeah, your donut.
I wanna
Face
drizzle it.
Face it like that.
Okay.
Go. And then put some topping on it.
I'm going for all the different colors in M&M's.
Okay. Ano mo yan? Next. Wow. What's your topping in your, chocolate? Marshmallows.
This is the design that I was thinking of kanina.
Next, the strawberry one. Yan, sa middle. Yan, kabilang middle. Yan. Para yung tatlo, i-drizzle mo naman.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Sprinklers and, chocolate chip.
Yeah. Did you do this now? This? That's it.
Okay. Next, you can drizzle it.
Yeah.
Press it big time. May drizzle pa yan?
Oh my god, so hard. Can you help me? And then on the other side too.
Saan?
Yeah.
Pag gano'n naman?
Opo.
Oh, wow. Okay. What else?
Milk.
Saan
Yeah.
naman yung milk?
Here.
Is it? I think it's too sweet na. Okay.
Okay. I don't know.
Enough na. Enough na yan. It's too sweet na.
How about this one?
Oh. You wanna drizzle it pa?
Yeah. Oh my god.
No, it's so hard.
Okay, good. Your hands are shivering.
It's hard.
There.
Okay.
It's so strong. Okay.
What else? Oh.
There's a bubble. Bubble. It's a step.
It's okay.
Milk. And chocolate. Milk and chocolate. Wait, the last one.
I think you can take it home na lang.
Hmm?
You
Okay.
your design. You bring it home na lang, tas gawa ka na lang ulit ng bago para pagkakain ka.
This side's good. It's rubbery. Yeah. Did Ambi go home?
I think so.
Pineapples on this one. The last.
Ano, ikaw? Yan, uwi mo na yan.
Where are the crushed Oreos? Is this crushed? Okay.
Your donuts is overload, ah.
Mm-hmm.
How about the other one? Nasa middle.
This one's chocolate, I think. Chocolate and chocolate.
Ate, try
Good.
ko magdala sa sa Monday. Ano lang, papakita ko lang.
Sige.
Tita Steph,
Mm.
actually, I want to make donuts for my classmates.
For your classmates?
Mm-mm.
Pero hindi na yan aabot sa Monday.
Okay. Yeah, you take this.
O, kunin mo yung stick. You show it to the camera. Your design. Show it to the camera.
Okay.
Show it here.
Like this.